I'm going to transform this Lanzones farm into a food forest. Actually started planting some other trees like this breadfruit, but unfortunately it was munched on by horse of my farmhand. We have harvested about 200 kilograms of Lanzones the previous weeks, and that's a voluntary papaya. This is rambutan. I planted this marang about a couple of weeks ago. I acquired this property about a year ago. Another voluntary papayas, and since then I was able to build a bamboo hut, small house, and outside kitchen. Yesterday, because I was able to acquire some seedling bananas, lakatan. I decided to remove my plantains because they're too tall. I planted this Taiwan long mulberry. This is the bananas I've acquired. I planted this moringa also, and some other. Yeah, I have calamansi, I have lemon, I have pomelo. That is bilimbi. I planted this yesterday also. Avocado cardinal, because one of my house avocado didn't survive. Now it's raining. As you can see, I still have some other plantains that I need to remove, but I'm waiting for it to, because I don't want to waste the plantains. So I will wait for them to ripen up and I will remove them. I have about 6 seedlings of Rollinia, 2 guayabana, another marang, there's another cardinal avocado, this is another guayabana. This is just a small farm tour. So see, this is the Hass avocado that didn't survive. The science didn't survive. This is king mango. I have another mango over there. It's called, I believe it's Katimon mango. Pomelo. This is pomelo. I still have to mulch it. I believe I have another fruit trees I planted. Oh no, I don't remember where. There. This is what I'm excited about. This is Ebiark jackfruit. It's claimed to be the sweetest in the world with 25 bricks. Is it correct? 25 bricks. The standard, I think, for jackfruit is 15 only. I have two Ebiark. I forgot to mulch it because I got tired last night. I only have one coconut, protein coconut. The rest are they are bamboo. Lanzones, I believe I have about 50. That's why I wanted to convert this to into a food forest. I don't know how this rambutan will fruit. It's covered by lanzones. This rambutan, that one rambutan, fruited for the first time this year. It's just a few because it was still somewhat covered by plantains, so didn't receive a lot of sunlight. Oh, see. It's getting quite dark under this canopy. What the hell? Ah, there. Lizard. Oops. I have to collect these plastics. This is my outdoor kitchen. Okay guys, see you next time.